Hey guys, welcome back to another very interesting video of Versatile Knowledge. So the day every YouTuber waits for in his life of his YouTube journey has arrived for our channel too. And here in this video, we'll be doing the unboxing of our very first DSLR camera, which we'll be using for our YouTube purposes in our future videos. And this box package is having the Canon EOS 200D DSLR camera. I bought this product from Flipkart for around 37,500 rupees. If you want, I'll be leaving the direct links in the description below. You can directly buy from that link, which will certainly help the channel as well. As you guys can see, this is the whole covering of the bubble wrappers that has been put on the box package in order to protect it. Let's get rid of all the bubble wrappers and the protection cases and the covers that has been put over as a protective layer for this package of the DSLR camera box, as well as the case which helps in carrying the DSLR camera. I'll be cutting out all the plastic wrappers and showing you guys the bag that has been provided for the DSLR camera. As you guys can see, this is the carrying case of the DSLR for the Canon EOS 200D. It has that EOS branding on the front. It has this clip-based lock protection and also the Velcro protection as well. On the inner surface, there is this sponge material which is colored in red, where you can keep both the lens and also the body of the camera. It has enough space to fit in two lenses and also the body of the Canon 200D camera. The materials that has been used is really of high quality, and if you want to buy this bag separately, it will cost you around 1000 rupees. And this is the box package of the Canon EOS 200D. The photo of the whole camera body and with the lens attached is mentioned. Some of the details related to the camera has also been mentioned on this side of the box. The pricing details, the warranty information, where it has been manufactured, and other details has also been mentioned. Now let's get rid of the seal and take a look at what are the components of the camera itself. Straight after we open the box, the first thing that we'll get to see is this user manual of the Canon EOS 200D. The name of the camera has been written as the Rebel SL2, which is the name it has been given in United States, and it has been called as the EOS 200D in other markets such as Japan, India and other Asian markets. It is a very thick book, and if you're using a DSLR camera for the first time, and if you're new into the world of DSLR cameras, you might have to take a look at this manual as well. And there is this warranty information guide and also this complimentary workshop coupon, with the help of which you can attend some Canon photography workshops and improve your photography skills as well. This is the battery that has been provided inside the box, which goes into the DSLR camera. They have not provided any spare batteries. This is the only battery that has been provided, and this is the memory card that comes free with the camera, which is a 16 GB SanDisk SDH10 memory card. And this is the cable with the help of which you can charge the battery of your DSLR camera. As you guys can see, this is the 1855mm lens, or also called as the kit lens, which comes provided inside the box, which has to be attached with the body of the Canon 200D DSLR camera. This is the battery adapter, inside which the battery that has been provided inside the box has to be plugged in, and this has to be connected to the main power source for the charging of your DSLR battery. The rating and other technical information about this adapter can be seen here. This is the band that can be connected on either sides of the DSLR camera, and this band can be hung over your neck to keep your camera in place while shooting the photos. And this here is the body of the Canon EOS 200D DSLR camera. Let's get rid of all the polythene, plastic and sponge covering and take a look at the body of the camera itself. The body of the camera feels really light to hold in the hand, and right after you pick up the camera, you never feel that this is a DSLR. You will feel as if it is a normal point and shoot camera itself. This is not as heavy as other DSLRs out there in the market. So these are the components that we found inside the box of the Canon EOS 200D. It consists of the charging adapter, the kit lens, which is the 1855mm lens, the body of the camera, the user manual, the connecting cable to the adapter, the memory card, the battery, the neck strap and also the carrying case for the DSLR camera. Well, the actual price of this camera is around 45,000 rupees, and since it was available on sale, it came down to as low as 40,000 rupees, and I purchased it from Flipkart and I got it for 37,500 on the sale days. And this is the closer look at the DSLR camera's body. It has that Canon logo all over the body, and also it has this EOS 200D name written on the top of the camera. It is called as Rebel SL2 in other markets, but in India it has been called as the EOS 200D. On the top of the camera, you can mount your shotgun mic if you're interested in vlogging. Now, what we'll do is we'll insert both the battery and the memory card into the DSLR camera. The procedure for inserting the battery and also the memory card into the DSLR camera is actually very easy. If you follow what I'm doing in the video clip, you'll be good to go. Once you insert your battery into the DSLR camera, there will be a gate which helps in protecting the battery from falling out of the back portion of the camera. Once you press the battery into that hole, you'll feel that click sound which says that the battery has been successfully connected. Then you can close the back lid, which will protect both your memory card and also the battery. This is the flippable screen that is present on the body of the camera, which can be flipped and made into the direction of your face if you are shooting some vlog style videos, or if you are a single person who is shooting all your videos. Since these components are made up of small precision materials, I would advise you guys to be very careful when you are flipping the screen on your camera body. I did not find any tempered glass or any plastic covering that was present on the LCD screen of the camera as well. We have to use just the press and release button on the front of the camera body in order to open this lens covering. Once we open the lid, we'll get to see that mirror that has been placed on the inner surface of the lens, and also we can see so many amount of precision components which helps you to produce extraordinary images using this 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor on this Canon EOS 200D. This is the stock lens or kit lens that has been provided inside the box of this DSLR camera, and it says that 18 and 55 mm, and it says that it has the image stabilization function inside this lens as well. A few other features of this lens has also been mentioned. Now what we'll do is we'll open this lens cap and we'll connect the lens with the DSLR's body. On the lens itself, we have an option of switching between the autofocus and manual focus, and also we have a switch for the image stabilization as well. The next step in the process is we have to take out the lids that covers on the either side of the lens, and we have to connect the lens to the body of the camera and start shooting some extraordinary photographs. Once we are connecting the lens on the body of the camera, we have to align the white squares on the body of the lens and also on the body of the camera and rotate it clockwise until we hear a click sound, which gives a confirmation that the body and the lens has been successfully attached. This is a charging adapter where you have to insert your battery of the camera, and orange suggests that it is charging and green suggests the charge is full. The cable has to be attached with the adapter in the way that I am showing, and then it has to be connected to the wall adapter for the battery to start charging. The neck and shoulder strap can be attached onto the body of the DSLR camera in the way that I am showing in this video clip. Once this process is successfully done, next what you can do is you can hang this neck and shoulder strap on your neck to keep your camera in place while you are shooting for longer durations. Once you turn on the camera and start shooting your photographs or videos, the options that you will be greeted with can be quite intimidating. Well, this is just an unboxing video, and I'll be making dedicated video for all the settings and features that is present with this camera. And now I won't dive deep into all the options that is present in this camera settings. So guys, this is the quality of the video that you will get from the Canon EOS 200D. As you guys can see, this particular scene or this particular part of the video that you are seeing is being shot on the Canon EOS 200D, and the previous part of this video was shot on a smartphone. Actually, it was shot on the OnePlus 6 smartphone, and now I'm shooting this video on the Canon EOS 200D by holding it on the Gorilla Pod, and I'll be doing the unboxing of the Gorilla Pod as well. And as of now, the audio is being recorded by the internal microphone of the Canon EOS 200D. So do let me know about what is the audio quality of the EOS 200D. And as of now in this scene, I have turned on the autofocus and live tracking focus to my face. So as you guys can see, if I move it to here and if I move it to here continuously, my face is in focus and the focus is not breaking, and the background blur wala thing is also working properly, I guess. I'll be testing this camera out properly for the next few days, and I'll be coming out with the review as well. The subsequent videos on our channel will be shot on this camera itself, so you guys will be seeing a lot of improvement in the quality of the videos as well. I've attached a couple of images for your reference just for this unboxing video. I'll be coming up with future videos such as full in-depth reviews and all the settings of this Canon 200D. If you guys have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, and if you've liked this video, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends, and turn on the bell notification for you to get a notification whenever we upload a new video on our channel. So thank you for watching, guys.